Okay, okay. With aesthetic medicine, I have 6 years working after I finished medicine school. My experience with the Botox, I love it because it's also a prevention, and well, they're naturals. The results are very natural in the patients, and well, I love to put Botox. The duration of the Botox, it's 3 or 6 months, all depends on the patient. Every patient is different, and when we have to take care here in Playa del Carmen or in Tulum, because for the heat, the duration of Botox can be less than in other country or the other cities. Okay?
And why should someone pick BioSpa, whether in Tulum or Playa del Carmen, beyond any other places? And why is it a great idea to do Botox while you're in Tulum or Playa del Carmen?
Okay, why? Sorry. Like I told you, the Botox is very natural results, and when you put more younger, you prevent a lot of wrinkles, because here in Tulum we are exposed a lot of sun, and that it's very damaged for your skin. And well, I think it's very good to take care of our skin, and the Botox is, I think it's very good option for that reason.
Someone choose to do Botox at BioSpa in Tulum or in Playa del Carmen?
Well, it all depends. For example, I came to Tulum every Thursday to put Botox in the patient, and I think, well, here in Tulum there's not many doctors who can do that. In Playa del Carmen, we are open all the rest of the week, and well, it's different. I think to came here to Tulum to put Botox or to another treatment of dermatology